Dolphins are fascinating creatures whose lives are deeply connected to timing, from their hunting habits to communication and migration. Here's how timing plays a vital role in their world. Timing and hunting. Dolphins are skilled hunters that rely on perfect timing and coordination. They often hunt in groups, surrounding schools of fish and attacking at just the right moment. Many species prefer to feed during dawn or dusk, when light levels make it easier to ambush prey. Their echolocation clicks are precisely timed to detect the distance and movement of prey, a biological radar working in milliseconds. Timing and breathing. Dolphins must surface for air every few minutes. Their breathing rhythm is timed perfectly to their swimming and diving patterns. A dolphin's blowhole opens for only a fraction of a second. Mistiming it could mean drowning. This synchronization shows how biological timing ensures survival in the marine world. Timing and social bonds. Dolphins are social animals that communicate through whistles and clicks. The timing of their calls is critical. Overlapping sounds can cause confusion. Mothers and calves develop a unique whistle pattern to stay in sync, even in large pods. Timing and migration. Some dolphin species migrate seasonally based on water temperature, food availability, and breeding cycles. They time their movements to follow warmer currents and abundant fish. A mistimed migration can mean starvation or failure to reproduce. Lesson from dolphins. Dolphins teach us that timing is a rhythm of survival and harmony, whether in nature, relationships, or life goals. Acting at the right moment, with coordination and awareness, often determines success. Follow us to yet another fascinating story in our Mother Nature. Why not become the first person to see our video? Simply subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification icon to see more amazing videos.